Hi, my name is Jordan Lamb, and this is speech number 2 for Communications 101 at IB Tech, Process Speech. Hi, today I'm going to start out by telling you a little story. About 2 years ago in 2007, I was lucky enough to get a job with a moving company called Complete Moving Systems. We installed furniture on military bases all over the country. My second job that I was on with them was Quantico, Virginia, which is the FBI headquarters. We were there for 2 months. This is a really cool job because we got to see so many things that other people will never get to see. But one of the cool things I liked about the job is we got to eat in the cafeteria every day. Now you're probably thinking, what's so cool about a cafeteria? Well, it was what they served every day that made it cool to me. They served pudding on the menu every day. Now, I've always liked pudding, but I've never got to eat it that often. But since they're going to serve it to me every day, I'm going to eat it as much as I can. So, working that job for 2 months, I got a few nicknames. A couple of which are Snack Pack and Puddin', and unfortunately, Puddin' stuck with me. So still to this day, my friends on the job and my friends here at home call me Puddin'. So with that, I'm going to show you how to make instant pudding so you can make it and enjoy it as much as I do. First, you want to start out by getting an apron. You don't have to, but you don't want to get any pudding splashed on your clothes. So pick you out a pretty one. I found this one. I thought it kind of makes me look like Betty Crocker personally. And then you want to grab your utensils. There's not very many things required to make pudding, thankfully. All you need is a measuring cup. You're going to need a wire whisk, or you can use an electric mixer if you have one. A wire whisk is a little cleaner. You don't have any cords, and not very hard to clean up either. Then you're going to have a mixing bowl. Preferably a medium-sized one so you don't splash anything out on you when you are mixing it. Next to the ingredients. 2 ingredients to make plain pudding. Milk, and of course, pudding. You can pick any flavor you want. There's all kinds of flavors. I don't know how many there are exactly, but chocolate, vanilla, tapioca. Today, I'm using vanilla. You want to start out by taking the packet of pudding and putting it in the bowl. Once you get all that in the bowl, you want to measure out 2 cups of milk. Normally that's the ingredient. 2 cups of milk, 1 packet of pudding. Let's go ahead and measure that out. Pour that in. Next you want to take that wire whisk you have and mix the pudding together for about 1 to 2 minutes. The longer you cook it, the longer you stir it, the thicker it gets, and you get all the clumps out of the pudding. Because you really don't want to bite into a spoonful of pudding and have a clump of dried pudding in there. So once you mix that together and it starts to thicken up nicely, you want to put the bowl of pudding in the refrigerator. That's my personal preference. The package says it's ready, but if you put it in the refrigerator, it gets colder and it firms up more and it tastes a whole lot better, I think anyway. Let's put that in the refrigerator. And this is the hard part, the waiting game. You gotta wait like 10 or 15 minutes. So let's just wait here. Okay, I'm done. Alright, look at there. It's all done and firm. And I even changed bowls. Now, there's different things you can put in pudding. You can put Oreos, you can put chocolate chips if you want to, or vanilla wafers would be really good. Or if you want to make dirt pudding, you can put gummy worms in with crunched up Oreos. That's really good. Or if you really want to, you can add a little kick to it, get a little Jack Daniels in there. But I don't think I'm going to do that today. Anyway, that's how you make plain pudding. Does anybody have any questions?
2% whole or skim milk?
Well, that is a good question. But Me, I use 2%. That's what we always have in our house. You could use whole, that'd probably be better. But for those self-conscious people, you could use skim milk. Any more questions?
I'm just ready for some pudding.
All right. Well, I have some bowls and some spoons for you, so let's dig in. That enough for you?
That's good.
All right. There you go. And that's how you make pudding.